Good morning and welcome to Drayton Manor for
Thomasland.
I'm interested to see if Lisa can actually get Zack on this ride. He doesn't seem to like a lot of the bigger roller coasters now. How was it, Zack? Was it fun?
It was super fun.
Did you like it?
We went forward and there was smoke coming. Look at the front.
They don't seem to make noises though, do they? They work, but they're not. They just don't bang.
Practice that was. That's great practice.
It doesn't make a noise, but you're still getting the lights, aren't you? Look, get the well.
Get the lights.
Like, it's meant to be a shooting game, and you can't even hear it shooting.
See the yellow lights.
Try and get the cans over there. Yay! Bang, 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 bang. So shoot the bell, shoot the bell. Hey, you got it.
I got the bell.
Go on, get it again, get it again. Yay, you got it. It's like Red Dead's that. Yip yip.
Yip, yip.
Yip yip. Zacky. How was it?
You're going to do that, Daddy.
I'm scared to go on there. Did you like it?
You're scared to go on that.
Yeah. Did you like it? Was it good? Is it the same as the other one you went on?
Yeah.
Wait. So, we've never been on Percy before, have we? It's always Thomas when we've come before. That's really cool.
Yeah, go Rush.
You did really good, didn't you?
Tell the camera about
What was the Gold Rush like? What was Gold Rush like?
Can you open the door? Come on, open the door.
Well, look, you can see Percy there, look. Lights, are we on a green light? A green light?
What's the green light for?
Means you can go. Oh, wow. Look at them, wave to him.
Where is Thomas? Where's Thomas?
I don't know, babe. There's some sheds over there. I think that's Titmouse sheds.
I can't see Thomas.
No, that's Titmouse sheds.
Is Thomas inside? Another one.
Oh, we're going to go for a tunnel in a minute,
That's a
babe.
red light.
Go for a tunnel in a second. We don't overtake each other on the way down, you know what I mean? Can't see any of these. Oh, look at that. Roller coaster. The troublesome trucks. Oh, here we go. Into Knapford Station. Knapford Station.
I think the other trains must be Thomas.
It's Harold, it's a helicopter. We've never been on that.
It's not working still.
Seriously.
It's working.
Where's Thomas?
I think the other trains must be Thomas.
Maybe. Oh, Thomas, where can he be? Are you going to say hello, Percy? You love Percy. I think we're lucky to see Percy today. How cool is that?
He's going to take everybody to the zoo.
Oh, like all that. So, can you see Cranky here?
It's not going to move.
It's a shame not even Toby's running today, isn't it?
The last time the Toby was running.
I don't know, they should really get some of them working, or put new ones on.
I like this one's face. This face here. Can you make that face?
Is it going to be another soft plane?
There's no soft plane in this one.
To go on the soft plane at Thomasland.
Yes, they're making another ride.
They're going to make a ride.
They're going to make another ride.
Yeah.
I'm Winston. Nice to meet you. I'm the back controller's track inspection car. It's my job to make sure everything is safe and good.
What's that like to see Bertie the bus ride?
Back
That's cool.
quite used to driving me.
Wow. That looks good. We're level with the bus then.
I'm sure it's a smooth journey. There's plenty to
And then we got the diesels. Look at them diesels. Wow. Like the cars down here though. They look good. Vintage cars.
Station looks busy today. Everything seems to be running.
Lovely. We've got the Harold the helicopter ride there, but I don't think that's working today. Oh look, there's Thomas. There's Thomas.
And where's Percy?
Where was he hiding then? And they got Cranky the Crane.
With the shoulder straps.
Harold on his heli tours.
See all the Harold helicopters down there. Lovely. See all of Thomasland.
Is that not working now?
I don't know. Just a second ago.
The Showdown cars are honking hello and
That's got stuff coming out the top there.
I'll sit on by the front of the train. My wristband. My wristband. Baby. Oh.
Smile. Lovely.
She.
Nice.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
And next one is Percy.
Whoa, that's fast, isn't it?
You come off the seat. You come off the seat.
Can you see Mummy? Whoa! Whoa!
Bye bye Thomas, Thomas and friends. Bye bye Thomas, yeah, come on. Bye bye Thomas, Thomas and friends. Bye bye Thomas, yeah, Thomas and friends.
Now, it has been a lovely day. Will it be the same without you? So give yourselves a great big cheer. Come on, you two.
You know it, sir. Woo! Here we go. Bye bye Thomas, Thomas and friends. It's you. Nice to see you here. See you later, everybody. Bye, everybody.
And thank you all for a lovely summer
Here in Thomasland. See you soon, everybody.
Put it there, Dusty.
Woo! The biscuit's mine.
Hey!
Zack, your tractor looks worried.
It's not a tractor, is it? What is it?
Knows what he's doing.
Good drive, Em.
Hold your hand. Get off.
That finishes at 4 and it's 20 past 4 now. Bit of a shame.
One on the back here, the lights are low.
Yeah, you like that train, don't you?
Yeah, but in here the high.
I have no idea. I have no idea. You see the conveyor belt?
Is it continue moving?
There we go.
Zack.
Look, Zack is an actual shoulder restraint. There we go. Exactly. They're not scary.
Yeah, and then on the ride, sit back.
back.
On the ride,
On the right, that locks
Sit back.
in, and then that locks in. so
that'd
you
feel
can't
that'd be
pull
like
it
that, yeah? It's not scary, is it?
out. See? Now you can always remember, you've said.
Oh, drive it. Let's finish Drayton Manor. Let's go to the car and drive back to Cove.
That's going to be it from Parks and Bricks at Drayton Manor, Thomasland. We saw Percy and Thomas today, didn't we? There's Percy, there's Thomas and Annie and Clarabelle.
Bye, Thomasland. Drayton Manor.
So look here.
Lovely.
Lovely. Did you enjoy that? We'll see you later.